Hi y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect boneless chicken wings, or as some people call buffalo wings. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. As you can see just by the weight of me that I love really good food. But I'm trying to start watching what I'm eating, so I'm going to try to start cooking some of my dishes using Weight Watcher type recipes. So today's video I'm going to be demonstrating how us in the South cook boneless chicken wings. Some people call them boneless buffalo wings. And we're going to do it on our griddle. I'm going to do these in 6 easy steps. If you do like my video, I want you to make sure you subscribe, ring the bell. This will get you notifications of all my new videos, and it's all for free. Alright, so step one is to preheat my griddle. I have it on medium heat right now, and I want it to be cooking around 350 to 400 degrees. My trusty wireless thermometer will tell me, and I'm hitting, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I'm hitting right about 350 degrees right now. I only have 3 burners on right now. So I have this side over here. I don't necessarily need that. So I'm going to take my chicken breast. I've got about 8 ounces here. And I'm going to cut lengthwise about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to cube them again about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. These are just chicken breast, nothing fancy about them. They are skinless chicken breasts. The skinless part, it takes a lot of the fat away. So when we start looking at Weight Watcher points, these actually have 0 points. I'm going to put them in my pan. And I've got, let's see, maybe 12, 15 of them out of this 8 ounce. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm just going to kind of toss them around to get all that coated up. So on my next step, I'm going to be using this Crisco original no stick spray instead of oil. Oil is where all the points come for the Weight Watcher folks. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on here. And I'm going to just take my chicken, put it on. I want it to where they're all touching. I may end up having to put a little bit more of the oil on there, but I'm not going to use much. Right like that. And I'm just going to let it cook. Now these I want to cook to an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. It's going to take me 3 to 4 minutes to get there. So all I'm going to do, take and flipping them all over. So I'm going to have 12 of my boneless wings. This is plenty for 2 people. If you're really hungry, yeah, it's a great snack for just 1. But we're just going to let it cook. All right, I've turned them over a couple times. They're almost done. I want to check the internal temperature. And I want to check it on the thick ones. The not so thick ones I don't really care so much about, because I know they're going to be hotter. Right now at about 159 degrees. Again, chicken needs to get to 165, so I'm going to give it about another 30 seconds. All right, so checking them one last time. Yep, we're right, 165, 167. So I'm going to take them and remove them. And all I'm going to do is put them in one of these pans. All right, so I removed my chicken wings. I put them in a bowl. I'm going to add some of Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce to it. And I'm just going to basically with only this many, about 2 to 3 ounces. And I'm just going to swirl them around. My tongs, I want to make sure they're all coated real well. And then I'm going to add them right here to my plate. And on my plate I have some carrots. A lot of people like celery with them. Personally, I'm not a big fan of celery, so I'm not putting any out here. And some ranch dressing. Some people like me like to use ranch. Some others like blue cheese. But whatever your taste desires. And then I'm just going to try one out. Now this is the way I like them. Being grilled, either on a grill, a griddle, you can cook these in your oven, you cook them in an air fryer, but it just, because there's no oil in it, you have no Weight Watcher points, it's going to actually come out and taste really good. The Frank's buffalo wing sauce is probably one of the best sauces out there. And it's already made. You don't have to make it from scratch. All right, guys, I hope you liked my video. If you did like my video, make sure you subscribe, ring that bell, give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, I hope y'all enjoy.